What have we got on the table now? Let's have a look in this little cute box. Okay. Oh, okay, so I haven't looked in here yet. Oh, okay, here we go. We've got the Mamba F7 Pro Stack. This one here looks pretty flash. Now if I flip it over, it shows you all the business on the back there. But you guys know where to go and have a look this up if you want to see if it suits your needs for FPVing and quadcoptering, or will suit your frame. And now let's have a look. Is my phone ever focused, or is it just going to stay in fuzz mode? It looks alright. Okay, yeah, no, it's a very tidy looking FC. We'll just pop it out of here, see what it looks like in the hand. Oh yeah, very tidy. So it's got a little info on the bottom there. Input 3 to 6S, 12.6 to 25.2 volts, 60 amps times 4, D-Shot 1200, Mamba F60 Pro. Yeah, very cool. And you can tell it's got the Bluetooth by the little antenna on the side there. That's where you hook your power up to, off to the ESC, which is looking like a decent ESC. Yeah, and if you think you'd like something like that in your quadcopter, you can let me know and we'll see what we can do. We've got some bits and pieces here, some gummies and all the nice things. That's a nice big cap, XT60, some power leads, and another little loom cable to jump up if you want to another system. Very good. Alright, thanks very much for having a look at that, and if you want one, let me know. Cheers.